In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark email as complete in Outlook. If you want a quick way to keep your inbox organized and track which messages you've already dealt with, marking an email as complete can be really helpful. This feature is especially useful when you're using follow-up flags to manage tasks inside Outlook, because it lets you visually separate emails that still need attention from the ones you've already finished. To do this, start by opening Outlook and going to the inbox or folder where the email is located. Find the message you want to mark as complete. Next to the email, you should see a checkbox or flag area depending on your Outlook view and settings. Once you've found the correct message, simply click on the checkbox beside the mail. When you click it, Outlook will mark that email as complete. In many cases, you'll notice a visual change right away, such as a checkmark appearing, the flag being updated, or the email looking slightly different to show that the task connected to it has been finished. This is Outlook's way of helping you confirm that the message no longer needs follow-up. If you don't immediately see the checkbox, make sure you're looking in a view that shows message status or flags. Outlook layouts can vary a little depending on the version you're using, but the action is generally the same. You're looking for the small clickable box beside the email in the message list. This is a very simple action, but it can make a big difference if you receive a large number of emails every day. Marking items as complete helps reduce clutter, keeps your workflow clear, and makes it easier to focus only on messages that still require action. It's a small habit that can save time and make your inbox feel much more manageable. So again, all you need to do is locate the email and click on the checkbox beside the mail. That will mark it as complete in Outlook. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.